a meditation on inner peace and compassion. Begin by finding a quiet and comfortable place where you can sit or kneel, feeling grounded and stable. Gently close your eyes or lower your gaze, allowing yourself to turn inward. Centering and intention. Take a deep breath in, slowly filling your lungs with air. And as you exhale, release any tension you might be feeling. Do this a few times, feeling more relaxed with each breath. Set an intention for your meditation. Reflect on the Islamic value of salam, peace, wishing for inner tranquility and peace for all beings. Silently affirm, "May peace fill my heart and the world." Breath awareness and reflection. Turn your attention to your breath, feeling it flow in and out of your body. This moment of mindfulness brings you closer to a state of calm and focus, preparing your heart and mind for deeper reflection. Consider the concept of Tawhid, the oneness of Allah, which emphasizes the interconnectedness of all creation. Reflect on how this unity can inspire compassion and understanding towards others, recognizing the divine spark within every soul. Gratitude and compassion. take a moment to reflect on the blessings in your life, large and small. Gratitude is a key practice in Islam, fostering a heart full of thankfulness towards the Creator. Now, extend thoughts of compassion and mercy to those around you. Islam teaches the importance of kindness and helping others. Imagine sending out waves of compassion and care to the world, praying for relief for those in suffering. Guidance and strength. Silently ask for guidance and strength in your journey through life. The Islamic practice of seeking wisdom from Allah can be reflected in this moment, asking for the path of righteousness and the strength to follow it. Feel a sense of reassurance and support surrounding you, knowing that you are not alone in your quest for goodness and moral integrity. Returning with renewed purpose, gradually bring your awareness back to your surroundings, taking a few deep breaths to ground yourself. As you conclude your meditation, carry with you the feelings of peace, gratitude, and compassion. Let these values guide your actions and interactions throughout the day.